Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write 10 farm animals name in English and in Hindi. Number 1, C-O-W, cow. Cow means गाय. Number 2, D-O-G, dog. Dog means kutta. Number 3, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep means bhed. Number 4, G-O-A-T, goat. Goat means bakri. Number 5, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Donkey means gadha. Number 6, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse means ghoda. Number 7, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Chicken means murgi. Number 8, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck means battak. Number 9, G-E-E-S-E, geese. Geese means kalhans. Number 10, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.